In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, reach digital well-being and parental controls, and tap on show your data under your digital well-being tools right here. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got some general info, but if you will click on it again, you will be able to get some further details. And right here you've got the stats for each day. Also, you can go back in time since the first day of your device's usage. Actually, I activated it today, so that is why I have this Wednesday only. And a bit lower, you've got information regarding each app of yours. So for example, gallery, you've been in use today for just 1 minute. And this is it. This is how you can check total screen time in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.